Hello my gorgeous people, bienvenido a mi canal. Well, I'm super excited because we're doing another Shein haul. Yes, can you believe it? Another one. I know guys, I know you guys are gonna say, again Jessica? Yes, again. When I say I'm addicted to the store, I'm super addicted. I'm going to be broke addicted. Shein is taking my money, guys. I am going to be broke because I'm obsessed with that store. We're going to begin with the outfits that I got. I think I have almost the majority of the clothes item that I got are sets, which I love. Sometimes I don't like to be looking and trying to match stuff up. I like sets. It's easy, mom on the go. First item that I got, I'm just gonna hurry up and do this one because this is super easy. I got a belt. Yes guys, look how cute is the belt. I'm loving it. I'm obsessed with belts now, so I'm loving this belt. I can place it with anything, but look how gorgeous. I'm loving the gold buckle and black. Like, I'm obsessed with black and gold, and this is stunning. Stunning, stunning, stunning. So the next item that I got, this is a set, and these are the shorts that I got. I'm loving something mom on the go. I'm loving something that is super comfortable and super comfy and soft, and I got the pants with it. And I also got the shirt with it. I'm loving it. Super obsessed with this. It's baggy and it feels very soft. The only thing about these pants are
a little see-through. So make sure you put some panties that is not going to show because you can like see everything. But I'm loving this outfit. Super comfortable. You can tie it up like this, or you can take it out and just fold it up like this if you just want to be comfortable and not extra like me.
So the next item that I got, and I'm super obsessed with this, is this skirt right here. It's a long ankle skirt. Beautiful.
I would definitely wear this for church on a Sunday with some cute little sneakers.
And I got the shirt with it. Look how cute is the shirt. Crop top. I'm loving this with a big jean jacket with this. Super adorable. Cool mom on the go. So my next item that I got that you guys already seen, if you've seen my last Shein haul, I had to get another one because the way it fits and the way it just fit and hugged my body was gorgeous, and also it was super comfortable. So I got another one in this color, and I'm loving the feel of this, and it's super cottony also. And I got this one in small, so US 4. This is perfecto. So my next purchase that I got, like I said, usually all my stuff that I got right now, it's sets. I'm like enjoying that right now because this time around I just want to grab something in my closet, put it on, and go. I don't want to be worrying about what match with what. I got these biker shorts right here. Super cute. This is not see-through, which I love so much. It's nice and comfy. This actually feels like a good material, and it's high-waisted. It covers your stomach, so I'm liking that. And then the shirt feels amazing also, and it's baggy, so you can fold it up or you can put it inside your pants.
The only thing is these shorts are a little shorter than the biker shorts. Usually the biker shorts are a little longer, but I mean, I don't mind that. So it's up to you guys how you like your biker shorts, but I don't mind these biker shorts like this.
I'm also liking that. The biker short is, I think it's not that short. I think it's perfect size for your legs. So I'm loving that. And the way it hugs your legs feels amazing. The next purchase that I got, now these are 3 shirts that I got, and it came in set. I'm like into these type of shirts because I've been buying dressy clothes, or this will be cute with high-waisted jeans with this type of belt, and these shirt will be amazing, or dress it up with dressy pants. So I got 3 shirts that came included. Right here, I got the black one, I got the green one, and I got the cream one. Neutral, and I'm also starting to see that I'm starting to like all neutral stuff, which I'm starting to like neutral stuff, so that's a big plus. So I got this shirt right here. It's already dirty because I had makeup on and I tried it on and I dirty it. So make sure this type of shirt is a little nice and fitted and snug. So make sure you put this shirt on before you put your makeup on, because you will dirty it. And we do not want that, because I already dirtied this shirt. I'm loving this shirt. Look how it is. It's a crop top. It fits amazing on the body. It hugs your body. It sucks you in. So I'm loving it, and I'm also loving that it comes in 3. So I've been trying to buy stuff that comes in packs, because I mean, why not? You know, you need all the colors if you like it on yourself, you know. So this one I have US 4, so it's a small.
This is exactly how I would pair it up if I was going out.
If this fit me good, it will fit anybody. So if you are nice and small up here and you're tiny like me, then I will suggest you get a X small. But small fits amazing on me, and I'm loving it. And I don't even have to wear a bra with this shirt. So I got the cream one, and I also got the black one, which I love, a classy black shirt.
I'm loving how it fits. I'm loving the little collar. It fits really good, and the price of this is super affordable, and the material feels really, really nice.
My next item that I got, here we go again, biker shirts again. I'm telling you, this is the style of 2021. I'm pretty sure this is the style. So I got another biker short right here.
But this is actually longer biker shorts, so I'm loving the longer biker shorts, because the other one that I tried on was a little shorter. It was probably like up to here.
I'm pretty sure these biker shorts is longer. Yes, look, actually the cream one is a little longer than the green one. So sometimes just make sure, if you like longer biker shorts, make sure you do your research, because some of those biker shorts are a little shorter than most of them. So I got these cream one right here, which I'm loving the neutral color. I'm loving the fit of this, and this is not see-through either. This I can put a jean jacket on, throw some sneakers, or call it a day, or I don't have to throw any jacket if it's really hot. And it comes with this shirt right here. Same material, feels very amazing, big, folded up. You can fold it down with your pants, or you can tie it up on your waist. But this is beautiful with a gold earrings and gold necklace, like Kim K wear right here. Knock, knock, knock. My last purchase that I got, and let me tell you guys, I never bought no bathing suit from this site. This is my first time buying a bathing suit. So I was super scared to try this on, because I did not know how it will fit, if it was a good material or if it was cheapy. But let me tell you, I am in love with the bathing suit. Like I said, I'm into the neutral now. I don't know what it is, but like this is calling my name. All the neutrals, all the greens, all the creams. I'm just loving the neutral color. It fits so amazing. It hugs your stomach like you have a waist. You just look like you are super skinny, and you just look amazing. The way it fits tight, but it doesn't fit uncomfortable. So it had pads on the boobies, and of course I took them out because I don't need that. I don't need extra padding. Oh no, no, no. But the back and in the front, it looks the same. I'm loving that. It came with a little skirt right here. This will caught my eyes, and I said, you know what? I need to get this. I need to purchase it. I need to try it on. And I got this set in small, which I can probably went up a little bit, but it fits me amazing. So I'm excited. I'm going to start looking for more swimsuit outfits in that site, because they have so many cute swimsuit outfits. And when I say it's stunning and beautiful, I want to now purchase a little more of those swimsuit. But man, I'm a mama too, and this makes me look like, who got kids? So this is amazing, and I'm loving this with it. Gorgeous. All right guys, so this is it. I hope you guys enjoy my Shein haul. I'm obsessed with all the clothes. I hope you guys are too. If you guys like these type of videos, please comment down below and let me know so I can show you more clothing hauls. And I already did another purchase on Shein haul, so if you guys want to see my pajamas outfits that I got in Shein haul, comment down below, so let me know. But guys, I am so done. I'm done talking. If you guys want to see more, then please comment, like, and also subscribe. And until my next video guys, bye bye.